The air fryer is a really great way to cook up some fresh tomatoes. They can be eaten as part of a meal, so for example you could have them with your fried breakfast, or used as an ingredient in a recipe such as a pasta sauce, or one of my favourites is using them to make a tomato soup. So start by giving the tomatoes a good wash. You can use as many tomatoes as you need. You might have to obviously cook them in batches if your air fryer basket is on the smaller side. Once you've washed them, you need to cut them into quarters, and then you can put them in a bowl and drizzle a little olive oil over them. I like to add some dried mixed herbs as well, which is from a pre-mixed bought one from the supermarket. I think the one I'm using here has got oregano, parsley, sage, basil in it, but you can add whatever mixture you prefer, or you could just add a little oil or a little oil and salt, whichever you prefer. So make sure the tomatoes are all completely coated before adding them to the basket, and then air fry the tomatoes for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until they're soft, slightly wrinkled and beginning to char around the edges. I also like to give the basket an occasional shake during the cooking time. This helps them cook evenly all over, and it just gives me a chance to just check on them as well to make sure they're not overcooking. So once they're done, remove the tomatoes from the air fryer basket using tongs or a spatula. So I hope you've enjoyed this air fryer recipe. I'd really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe, and do let me know in the comments what air fryer recipe you want me to make next. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.